Hi guys, welcome back for another Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know if you guys like these, by the way, because I am thinking about canceling Boxycharm in a few months because I don't know, I've just not been interested, or the items I'm getting, I already have the items, or I have something similar or something that I won't use. So yeah, that's how I feel about Boxycharm right now. Just wanted to put that out there. But this box, let's talk about it. It's the September theme and it's called Wildflower, and then here are all the items along with the prices and stuff. So let's just go down, pick up each item, and then we'll talk about the stuff on the back. Well, first thing I see in here is a lipstick by Lorac, and you could have gotten, there was a lot of different variations. You could have gotten a Violet Voss lipstick, I think, or a Lorac liquid lipstick, or Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. But I got this lipstick in magenta, like if I'm ever gonna use this color. Most likely not. So I am gonna get rid of it, but I'll look up swatches so I can insert them for you guys. I don't wanna leave you hanging, in case you are interested. So this is from Lorac, and I've never tried anything from them, but I wish I could have gotten at least liquid lipstick because these I don't use at all. So yeah, it's the magenta shade, and this is the packaging, and it retails for $19. And you could have gotten, like, there's like 3 different ones that you could have gotten. I would have not minded like the nude one, but the pink and magenta, I can't deal with that. So yeah. But now Boxycharm is getting better at like reviews and stuff. Like when I was on their website reviewing everything, it's kind of like the Ipsy review where you can rate each item, rate the company, and rate how you liked it, and leave a comment. It's just like Ipsy. So I don't know if I should keep it if they're gonna have better things. But I don't know, I just don't want to wait and waste my money for it. Next item in here, I won't use it all because if you guys know me, I fucking hate liners. This one is from Butter London, and it's Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. But everybody's calling this like a pizza cutter liner because this looks like a pizza cutter. I'm not gonna touch it because I am also gonna get rid of this to give it to somebody because I'm tired of getting liners, and if I wasn't gonna use liner, I already have too many, and it just makes me mad. But I know some people do love liners, so good for them. And this is $19, and apparently it creates like a precise ultra fine winged liner, but I don't want to waste my time trying it out or waste a product, so yeah, sorry. Next in here, it's really pretty, but I don't know if I don't know what to feel about it because, like I always say, I have too many of the things and I won't use this. It's a Laura Geller blush, and it's in the color Tropic Hues. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Like, I want to touch it, but then I don't because I don't want to keep it. If someone wants any of these things, let me know and I'll just give it to you. And it's a Baked Blush and Brighten. Yeah, it's kind of like a shimmery blush, I'm guessing, and it's $28. Holy shit. And the color is nice, and I'm sure it'll look nice, and it says it's a silky formula. So if you tried this, let me know. Now to the 2 things that I'm kind of interested. This I'm really interested. We got the first Alamar Cosmetics palette last, I think it was in June or something. But that palette is so good, and now we got brushes that they also came out with. People wanted these because, I mean, I love brushes, and these, the packaging, I love this color. And ooh, oh my gosh, I didn't know this was this big. I could actually use this for highlighting too. Thank you. And let's see if this has names on it. Nope, it just says Alamar on everything. But I hope they come out with more brushes because this is awesome. Ooh, this is kind of like those stiff ones where you could cut your crease or apply shimmer. That's perfect. And then this, I have many of these, but it's a set, so I'll keep it. But yeah, I could use this under my eye, but I've recently started using these kinds of brushes to like precise up here. I don't know how to explain it, but I tried it today and it worked out, and I like it today. Kind of matches my look. But yeah, this was a nice thing to get, especially it kind of relates to the theme, Wildflower, and like the color of it reminds me of that. So I am so excited to use these brushes out, and they look good in my collection. And then these three retail for $18, which is not bad at all. They're synthetic and they are like a kind of like an indie brand. So let's just appreciate. And it's called the Ojitos brush set from Alamar. And last item was in here from Pretty Vulgar, which we've gotten lots of items actually. This feels so heavy. And it's the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. And it says it's made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. It's used to create best looks. Matte shimmer satin shades are soft and texture. Luxuriously smooth formula. Makes for easy blending and long wear. I'm excited to try this out. This retails for $35. I can see that the packaging is super heavy. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing is super heavy. And I love it because it says, embrace your beautiful contradictions with a little key. And right here it says Nightingale and Pretty Vulgar. It's really nice. And then it opens up like this. And then mirror. And then this is the design. The colors are okay, but I'm going to try to do like more smoky eyes. Like I do smoky, but I don't do like brown or black or anything. So I will definitely swatch all of the colors. I don't know, I'll probably swatch them and then insert a clip because I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Right now I do not have time because I'm off to places. But this is super beautiful, but don't worry, I'll show you swatches of this. These are the colors. I definitely am intrigued by this bluish one right here and like the shimmery ones up here. Especially Break Free. I think it's like a nice shimmer. Let me just go into it because I'm really excited. Ooh, okay. It's like a perfect inner corner highlight. Let's do Silver Spoon, which is that blue one. So yeah, I mean, obviously I'm going to apply them with a brush and it's going to be more precise, but I'm just smoking it out. Let's go into this black all-nighter. It looks like it has little shimmers in it. Ooh, it's like a super pigmented black. Oof. All right, I'm really excited to try this palette, and it does like leave little stains or whatever, but I'm really excited, and hopefully I'm able to swatch these shades. If I can't, I'm sorry, but I will look for swatches like always. This was a pretty good box. I mean, you get a lipstick, palette, brushes, blush, bless me, eyeliner. So it is pretty good because you get so many things that you could basically do like a whole look with. Like I always say, if you're starting out, this would be like a perfect box, but for me, the palette is unique, so I'll keep it in my collection, and brushes I would love. But the blush and other stuff I have so much of, so unfortunately I will not be keeping that. And I forgot to tell you guys, but you guys could have gotten eye primer instead of the liner, so I wouldn't have minded that. Or you could have gotten like another liner. I totally forgot where it was going to be from. And the blush, you could have gotten like a Galactic blush duo. I would have probably tried that out because I love Galactic's lipsticks, and I don't mind, you know, keeping something because it did look pretty interesting to me. It was pretty unique, but this is just like a simple baked blush. But yeah, that was all. But let's go on here and get you some deals. If you don't get Boxycharm, you could probably use these too. And it's a L'Oreal special offer with any order of new filler, first luminous foundation or concealer on L'Oreal.com. Code BOXY expires 10/15. Get match. All right, so it's like only on the foundation you get 30% off. I think it's kind of like a new thing they're doing. And then Dr. Brand will visit us at Sephora.com and search hashtag say I love you to access a special limited edition microdermabrasion bundle offer just for you. Hurry while supplies last. I probably fucked that up, but I'm sorry. So here are those offers if you want to take a screenshot. And then down here, their Boxy fact, it says the past 2 months we've held our first ever makeup classes, Boxycharm in session, in Miami and Houston. Keep up with our tour using the hashtag BC in session. Who knows, maybe we'll be dropping by a city near you. So they are going to New York, and they do classes with the Boxycharm makeup artists, and they give out like goodie bags and stuff, but you have to like buy tickets and stuff, just like a simple makeup class. But yeah, that is fun if you guys are into it. They haven't came to California yet. Oh, and I got a variation 4 if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, this was, I don't know how to feel about it. We have seen sneak peeks of future boxes, so I'm just hoping for the best. And I have so many charms. I have like $100 in charms, so I want to try to use those up too, because you can't use them if you're not subscribed. So hopefully they update their charm room. They have been doing it twice a month, every Friday, every other Friday. So I really hope that happens. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys liked and what you guys got, or if you don't get Boxycharm. It's worth it definitely, but because it's only $21. But like I said, if you have a bunch of stuff in your makeup collection, you really don't need it. Use that money towards something that you really want. And anything you guys want to talk about, leave it down below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I know people say that, but I've never said that. If you want, you can go ahead and do that. That's down below. Bye guys, and have a wonderful week.